Hello everyone, welcome to the practice course on general aptitude. If you are preparing for any of the competitive examination like GATE, ESE, HAL, HPCL, SSC, JEE or any other competitive examination, then this course is for you. In this course, we provide 5 questions daily on a daily basis and you have to practice it yourself. The answer of each of the question is mentioned in the last slide of this video. So you can check it out there and match your answer after solving the questions. Today we are going to solve the question on the topic of distance, speed and time. So here we go with the first question. Sound wave travel at 300 meter per second. Sound produced at a point is heard by a person after 5 seconds while the same sound is heard by another person after 6 seconds. What could be the maximum and minimum distances between the two persons? The options are given on your screen. A 1.8 kilometer, 0.15 kilometer. Option B 2.2 kilometer, 0.20 kilometer. Option C 2.8 kilometer, 0.25 kilometer, and at last option D 3.3 kilometer, 0.30 kilometer. You can pause the video and take the screenshot of this question and solve it yourself, and the answers of all these questions will be mentioned in the end of this video. So keep watching. Here comes the second question. A tiger is 50 leaps of its own behind a deer. The tiger takes 5 leaps per minute to the deer's 4. If the tiger and the deer cover 8 meters and 5 meters per leap respectively, what distance in meters will the tiger have to run before it catches the deer? Solve this question. Now moving on to the third question. A is twice as fast as B. If A gives B a start of 60 meters, how long should the race course be so that both of them reaches at the same time? Option A 150 meter, option B 120 meter, option C 180 meter, option D 90 meter. Moving on to the fourth question of the day. A plane left half an hour later than the scheduled time, and in order to reach its destination 1500 km away in time, it had to increase its speed by 33.33% over its usual speed. Find its increased speed. A 250 kmph, B 500 kmph, C 750 kmph, or option D none of these. Now let's move to the fifth question. Amritesh, walking at a speed of 20 km per hour, reaches his college 10 minutes late. Next time he increases his speed by 5 km per hour but finds that he is still late by 4 minutes. What is the distance of his college from his house? A 20 km, B 6 km, C 12 km, or option D none of these. I hope all of you have completed all these questions. You all are able to do this question. So match your answers which I am providing here on your screen. So that's it for today on the topic of distance, speed and time. Tomorrow we will come to you with more questions on this topic. That will be the second part of this topic, speed, distance and time. Stay connected and comment the questions which you want to be discussed in further classes. Thank you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and please share this video to your friends.